How to add Instagram feed in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a Instagram feed within the Hostinger website of yours within the internal process and also the external one. The internal process is going to be an option on the Hostinger website builder and the external one is going to be from a widget on Elf site. We're going to begin with the internal one. We're going to head over the HPanel of hostinger.com. Select the website by clicking on websites list, and then we are going to see all the websites that we have created on Hostinger. Once you have did that, you're going to click on edit website for the website that you want to add this feed. For example, this one, click on edit website and wait for the editor to show up. Once the editor has been showing all the elements of your website, you're going to see here some sections and etc. Now we are going to create a separate section for this specific, let's say, feed that we are going to add. Click on add section. Preferably you are going to add a blank section. From the elements in here, you're going to click on it and then you're going to see the elements that we can add. Basically, you're going to see here that we have Instagram feed. I'm going to drag and drop it in here. Now we are going to place it in here. Click on edit feed and we can connect the Instagram as you can see here. Click on connect Instagram and authorize the access to your specific website. So after you have did that, you're going to select the items that you can go ahead and add for the Instagram feed. For example, you can put here up to 20 elements as you can see, and then you can go ahead and extend the width and also the length of that specific section. So you're going to make it as you can see here like that and make it right there so you can modify the feed by the layout. As you can see, items per row, and also the gap between the photos. You can increase it or decrease it. The animation also is going to be added or optional. This is the standard or the internal feed. I'm going to delete that feed because I do not like it that much, but it is okay. So we are going to head over the second option that we have, which is going to use the platform of Elfsight. We're going to head over elfsight.com, sign in for an account within platform, then click on widgets. Now we are going to see here that we have some feeds on the socials. So we have Instagram feed, click on it, create widget for free, and normally you are going to start editing your widget. I have created already that widget, so I'm going to modify it only. So I'm going to click on edit, and then we are going to install it. Basically, here you are going to add the username of yours, for example, or the personality or the, let's say, the page that you want to show up. You can add the source, for example, account or hashtag. Then you can go ahead and set up the filters, or you can set up the sorting. You have here the layout as a slider, for example, or a grid. You can select the columns and rows, the headers, as you can see, show up the header, for example, for that profile that you are going to show. Also, you can add a feed title. When you finish, you're going to see here the posts. You're going to select the post, how it is going to appear, a aspect ratio of 1, for example, the classic one. Here you can set up the, let's say, showcasing here elements like the user, the date, Instagram link, and etc. When you finish, you can go ahead and set up the styles and also you can select the language. When you finish, you're going to click on publish and then you're going to close it. Click on install, get your copied here as you can see code, and then you're going to head over here, click on add elements, embed code. I'm going to put in here, double tap, select all the elements that we have in here and paste your code, click on embed, and you're going to see the new feed showing up. So this is our feed. It is going to load up in just a few seconds. As you can see, this is something that is better a little bit than the old one. So you can go ahead and control the gaps for the specific items that it is going to show on the row. And here we have it. When you finish, click on update website and here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.